Hi guys.
Morning.
Welcome to part 3 of Hit the Van with a Hammer. And this day is going to be a good day because it's a dry day.
Yeah, thank goodness.
So we're going to get some bits and bobs done.
Yeah, I've done everything in rain, so it's nice.
So this is what we're going to do this weekend. Before we start, what should they do?
Like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up and hit the notification button.
Because you never know, you might learn something.
I doubt it, obviously. We're doing this, it is a serious thing, but you've got to go into it with a light heart because you come across that many problems, so you just get on with it.
Let's go into it. See what I did there?
Yes, okay.
Thanks. So the ideal plan this weekend is, by the end of tomorrow, is to have that out, the wall down, and the floor up. That's the ideal plan. What we'll probably end up doing by the end of tomorrow is probably those 2 screws out. But Rome wasn't built in a day, was it?
No.
So what we're going to do, we're going to crack on and show you what we're doing. We are not professionals. Just putting that out there.
We are not.
No. Me more so not. So let's crack on. This has happened quite easy. Batteries are out. We've marked them up at the front there, left, right. I've started to unplug things here. Just got the left, right bus there. Look, this is because we're stupid, and when we put it back together, we'll probably be even more stupid and think, wait, what's that label mean? But that's the control board. We haven't figured out what's what yet, but there's writing on the fuse box there. But I think we'll have a big fuse box anyway, won't we?
Yeah, lovely.
Because we're going to have more things, more 12-volt things. We've got our system as well, so there'll be another leisure battery in here, hopefully. Or we'll just split off these two, because these two look alright. Anyone know about these? Whisper power. AGM power, 12 volts, 100 amp hours. What does that mean to you, Dina?
Not a lot.
Oh, okay then. We ain't no experts. Label everything, and Dina's filming everything. Anything that's connected to this board that goes off the board, we're unplugging, labeling up and unplugging, trying to keep as much on the board as we can. But these 2 plugs come off up there somewhere, so we'll take them off the board, all labelled up nicely to go back in wherever it's going to go. I feel quite sensible, Ducky.
Jolly good. I'm glad.
It's a strange feeling I'm not very used to. There we go. The shall we call it the control board or motherboard? Motherboard's off now, look. So that's what we've got there. Oh, time consuming, but I'm trying to label everything properly. So we'll get rid of these inside, and then we'll start a spaghetti junction there. Look how organised we are. Everything's got a label. And we'll start ripping it for holes and rip the labels off.
Probably.
Look who's come to join me.
No doubt, I've got a runny nose, it's that cold.
At least it's dry. At least it's dry.
Oh! That came off easy.
What? Inverted river. Look at the expertise. She's always venting. No?
No,
Okay. I'm helping. There, I've helped. Good, aren't I?
Yeah.
Right, so that's
Something else?
just adding. Just going to try and get the ceiling down now. So the vent's off. That will eventually be the square vent. That's when someone's got to go up there and cut out a hole.
Not me!
Oh.
Thank you very much, but no.
Looks like I've been volunteered then.
Okay.
Long way off yet though. Long way off.
Yeah, definitely.
What have you done now?
We've got a little bit further. Look, we've got a few wires hanging out, but the ceiling's down.
Yeah, we've cut
So
the
sides
lights.
are out.
So the cabling for the lights are already there.
This is the godsend. You know, we have got a lot to contend with, but everything's in situ. You don't need to do it from scratch, do you? Everything's in.
So the wood's already up there, already cut to size.
Yeah.
We just get the other side of that, or we take it down, insulate it, put it back up again. But we might leave it in situ until we've done the vent, which is going there.
Yeah.
But there's none on the other side, so we need to board the other side out, other side of the wall there. There's nothing up there, is there?
No.
So next bit done. The next bit after that is these walls. We got the ceiling off anyway, and we're going to have some lunch now, aren't we?
Yes, I think so.
Let's go and have some lunch today, because I'm starving. So here's the next problem. That is stuck in. Those two together, stopping the balls dropping out. So they pull forward. So the wheel arch is stopping it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop the bottom of this one off. And that should just drop out. And then the big one, which we might be able to use again, so I'm not going to chop that down, that should come out on its own. So let's get jiggy with it. There you go. We're through to next door. So now we're going to grind that bolt, and take this out. That was a pain. There we go, that's off. So I'm going to have a bit of a tidy up in here. Next job is the floor, and then we can get to the cables that are under the floor. Last job of the day. Well, we've done one. What have we done, Dina? Tell them what we've done.
We're trying to take the bolts out of this because they've raised the floor to put the seats on. So obviously this is...
Those seat rails there.
So we're trying to get these out now.
So put the bolted through underneath. It just took us ages to get that one up. As it would. We're getting used to it. But now we're going to try this. You might be wondering why we didn't try it before. But we didn't think it was going to be that hard, did we?
No.
How many times have we said that? So I'm going under the van. Ready?
Yeah.
Going.
Yeah.
Ready?
Right.
That's it. Right, so the middle bit's out, just got to get the floor out. That's going to be easier said than done. Because we've got to get that diesel heater out as well. Took the pipes off it. Let's try and get that out with this segment of floor. So we're up to here. Because we're parked on the road, so I'm struggling to get the diesel heater out. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut round it, get the floor up, leave it in, then we're going to take it to a garage to take it out for us. That's only hope, because it's just, I've disconnected it and everything. Just in case, if you don't know what you're doing, guys, don't ring it, especially with diesel heater. So what we're going to do, we're going to ring him tomorrow, see if we can get it in, just to check it out. Then he can put it back in after, can't he?
Yeah.
He can. So what I'm going to do, chop around the wood and leave it there and try and get the rest of the floor out at least. Done enough?
Yeah.
It's not Dina that does all the work, you know.
Dina got.
Every now and again she lets me go with my screwdriver. If I'm a good lad.
Don't believe it.
I'm always a good lad. So that's behind there, the rest of that wood is. So I'll take that off.
Yeah.
Invest in an impact driver.
Yeah, definitely. Would have been screwed without it, definitely.
Well, unscrewed. Did you just crack a joke by accident?
Yeah.
Is that the credit?
Yeah.
I do.
Dad joke. Number 1 from me.
Once you've popped. Get it? Popped. Dad joke. Pop.
But, very funny.
Got some screws.
Thank you.
You love it.
I'll take them in. We know we've got them to put back on. If we put them back on. That's it. That's
Right.
enough. Oh.
That's it for today, guys. A couple of bits for sure to doing, but yeah, let me just. But the weather's stopped us doing that. I need to get under the van with a socket. Dina's got the Allen key up here, but I'm not doing that in that weather. The diesel heater. That needs sorting out. We'll get some proper in to do that, or we'll take it round and you can do that. Taking 5 minutes off for a garage, and then you can put it back after. Look, I've still got my light on. Right, so that's it for this week, guys. We'll try and get the bolts out in the week if it's dry, and then that's all done. Then we can start cleaning down, cleaning, soundproofing, and away we go. Start putting stuff in. So we've got some tidying up to do now. So while we're doing that, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notifications.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up.
And tell your friends.
Tell your friends.
They might be doing one.
Any
might
help?
be thinking about doing one.
Any help, any advice, please.
Any
Drop
help
us
for
a
us,
message.
brilliant. And if somebody's thinking about starting, throw us a question, and if we can answer it, we will do.
Yeah. So we'll leave you that look. That's what we've done. Still left the cables in for the lights, but we use our own spotlights. And we've gone all the way down there. It's just that frame to come out now, and the diesel heater. Then we've about stripped it. Apart from the seat. That's another vlog, isn't it?
That'll be another vlog.
That'll be another vlog. Yeah,
Single seat going in.
I think you suffered enough. Catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
And if you have watched it till the end, we appreciate it, because this probably will be a long video, won't it?
No, you just cut it down. Boring bits.
But no left. See you later, guys.